This year we are celebrating our 50 years anniversary of success and excellence in Khalid Al-Kharafi. Thank God we are entertaining very high reputation, and we are considered one of the toppest EPC contractors here in Kuwait. And we are expanding to the outside regions. The construction business here in Kuwait is booming up. This comes from the strategy and the policies of Kuwait government by uplifting the oil production from 2.8 million barrels per day to 4 million barrels per day. You just have to imagine, just doing this uplifting, what does it need to reach to this position? And this is up to 2035. So we are talking about the whole 9 yards of the infrastructures required to store the outcome of the oil. So we are talking about gathering centers, booster stations, pipeline, roads, and you need to support this, you need the electricity and the water. Besides, also Kuwait government is solving the housing projects. So 2 major cities are under development to accommodate 100,000 units. You can imagine what is needed for that in terms of resources as a manpower and an equipment to execute such a project. Komatsu machines are probably one of the most reliable machines ever used in our construction projects, especially when you need something tough to execute in the infrastructure. Komatsu machines are only selected when you have tough assignments. And Komatsu machine, it has a very reliable output in terms of production and effectiveness on the ground. Today, as a contractor, what we need? We need a reliable machine. We need an after-sales support. Today, I don't want my equipment to stand still waiting for spare parts or for a service. And whatever is the machine that we are using, if I don't have the after-sales support, definitely I'm not going for it anymore. Komatsu even sometimes does not give me the chance to have this after-sales support because of the reliability of the equipment. However, yes, the after-sales support is one of the main tasks or one of the main elements that make us decide where to go. As I said earlier in the previous comment, that this reliability saves me time and money. So I don't need to do service in certain times, spare parts, I don't need to buy new spare parts. However, once we ask for the after sales, then we have it. More or less that these machines are monitored, okay, and monitored through a system with Komatsu that they can tell us immediately where is the fault and what is the time frame that this machine have worked or when it does need a maintenance. This is what we need from the Komatsu dealers. And I find it here with Dar Al-Hayy that the minute we call them, the next minute we have them here on the ground. Most important is the available of spare parts. I don't need to stock spare parts in my stores. I always call your distributor or the distributor of Komatsu, Dar Al-Hayy here, and immediately we have this available for us. I have a slogan in my career and in my strategy of driving this company. It states that we are not rich people to buy cheap things. It means a lot in my lifestyle and in my work style also as well. So you don't look for how much it's costing me, but how much it is serving me. And what we say always, with Komatsu equipment, we get value for the money. Definitely, I would recommend Komatsu equipment yesterday and today and tomorrow and after tomorrow to friends and competitors. Because again, it talks for itself. The performance, the reliability, this is what we are looking for as the contractor. It's a beast. The after sales is, as I stated earlier, that it is an important decision-making element in the evaluation of purchasing procedures that we have here in this company. So we always look the availability of the after sales on the ground, not remote, okay? Again, and I've sent also my team to inspect the stores for the availability of the spare parts as well of your distributor, of Komatsu distributor here in Kuwait.